This morning I'm making a cleaning out the fridge protein smoothie. Here's what I had in my refrigerator left over. Had about a cup of milk. I had the end of a bag of carrots. In the cupboard I had the end of a package of peanuts. There's a few strawberries left in a container in there. A little bit of watermelon left. Look at that strawberry there, has been sitting there a little bit. They're all still good. And they're going in the smoothie. So we're going to add the milk. Let's see if I can do this while holding the camera. Boom. Milk. Carrots. Let's see. It's a half cup of peanuts. Put those in there. Over here we got 4 strawberries. We're going to leave the green on for some fiber and some watermelon. I don't know if I'm going to make that pour. Let's put them in one at a time. Don't worry, I wash my hands. If any of you are worried. Any of you tens of people that will be watching this. Maybe not even tens. So anyhow, this is going to be my protein shake for the morning. Let's see, I went 14 hours fasting. Just mowed the lawn. Let me tell you, if you don't got time for the gym and you mow your lawn with a lawnmower you sit on, go buy yourself a push mower. I think I might throw a scoop of maybe just a half a scoop of Vegas Sport protein, just for good measure. Let's see if I can get this all in the shot still. Alright. About a half a scoop. Can't hurt, right? Protein shake breakfast. There it is. We got watermelon, carrots, the leftover milk I had in the fridge, not curdled. I can't remember what I put in the strawberries, some peanuts. I'm going to add some almonds. I have some almonds. Let's do that right now for the camera. All these almonds. Not really sure how this is gonna, oh, forgot one important component. Ice. Get in there. This mess I made, I just cleaned the counter. Alright. Let's plug this bad boy in. Let's take over the camera here. Let's watch it grind up. I guarantee the ice is going to bind that up a little bit. Boom. The NutriBullet. Thanks, Michelle. All right, let's check it out. Let's check our progress. See my dirty dishes in the sink there? Whoa. See, when I shoot videos, it kind of looks like I'm sitting in a boat, doesn't it? Okay, so there's the camera. Let's taste it for the camera. cleaning out the fridge. It's delicious. Honestly, it tastes like a milkshake. There's milk in it. There's a ton of sugar with all the fruit I put in there. The Vegas Sport has that vanilla taste to it. It's kind of sweet. So I'm sure this is probably a little bit too much sugar for a normal protein shake, but here's to it. Have a good day.